Special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winter Harbor to Liberty Island,
open waters from Winter Harbor to Michigan City until 11 p.m. At
10:05 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Elgin to Ulster Airport to Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts at 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winter Harbor, and Wilmette Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The Lake Michigan forecast for